Welcome back, guys, and look at that, beautiful. So let's jump into this. So we have our garlic puree, onion puree, scallion puree, you know, the regular salt and pepper, or pinto bean, and or
veggie rigati.
Yes, guys, so from you see all this, you know that we're making a pasta dish today. So we don't have the pot eating up around at the back, so let's get over to it. Let's go.
Alright, guys, so now we're gonna add some oil, just a little.
Yes, guys, I am a little bit under the weather, guys, so don't mind my voice right now.
Gonna add some butter to go along with that.
Yes, guys.
And the reason for adding the oil along with the butter is to prevent the butter from burning.
Yes, guys.
And we're coming along with some garlic.
Nice and aromatic, guys.
Along with that garlic, we're gonna add some onion.
Guys, this is so flavorful. You don't know the vibe, it's a perfume for the kitchen, guys.
Or scallion.
This is smelling so lovely, guys.
So now we're gonna add the pasta in.
Yes, guys, so we're just gonna toss up this pasta in all of this goodness. Guys, it's so nice, right? If you could just smell the aroma.
Some salt and pepper.
So amazing. And guys, you don't know the pasta is boiled until al dente, so no need to worry about any soggy pasta around here, right? From you look at it, you know that.
Firm to the touch.
Yes,
but
guys.
ready to eat, properly cooked. So now we're gonna add the pinto bean. And this is just a red peas cousin or the kidney beans cousin.
Yes,
but
guys.
This is just pinto. It is from the peas family. And you know always go. So we're going to go one of the globalist interaction JA sauces, and that will be the teriyaki.
Yes, guys, and if you haven't checked it out already, please to do so. We will have the name on the screen where you can follow our Instagram for more details, right? Coming along with that teriyaki. Look at that, guys. Nice and thick, right? Rich. Yes, guys. That's all up in there.
And the sauce don't need any compliments because it's good on its own.
Yes, guys. So we're going to stir this in, guys. Get the sauce nice and incorporated, properly mixed in.
So the only pressure drip is so forward when you're doing some more action.
So forward. Alright, guys, ready for the final touch, and guess what that is?
And add some red wine.
So deglaze this pot and bring this to perfection, guys.
What the wine does is bring all the flavors together.
Yes. Yeah. Hey. Guys, remember you can leave it down in the comment section down below and let us know the videos you'd like to see. If you want to see content coming from a Mediterranean diet, vegan diet, whichever diet you want to see a video coming from, you can just leave the suggestion down below in that comment section and we will do just that, right?
Alright, guys, so right now we're going to go back to the plating station. So forward.
Let's go, because this is ready. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section. Forward. Yes, guys, so this is it. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Guys, tell me, this is such a vibe, right? Such a vibe.
Yes, guys, and for the sauce, you can place your order at Globalist Interactions JA. Over the Instagram, place your orders.
Yes, guys, and if you're running from all that meat and trying to stay on a vegan diet or somewhat vegan, this is it for you. This is definitely it.
So what do you think will come next, guys?
Gonna top this with some fresh scallion or green onion, as most of you
spring
know.
onions.
Yes. So guys, we're going to clean up the plate and come back soon forward. Yes, guys, look at that. You know the vibe, you know how we do it, and we top this off with our fresh basil leaf, and look at that beauty. Yes, guys, so this is it.
Yeah, guys, feel free to place your orders for the sauce over at Globalist Interactions JA, and you can also follow us on chef_Reid_1 or chef_Alexander_1.
Yes, guys, all our socials will be on the screen. So this is it, guys. Until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?